Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy multiple text box in Microsoft Outlook. So let's started. At first open your document. Firstly going to the insert menu option and click photo drawing option and click for the text box. Then text box is the write your text. Then text box is the copy and select the text and press the Ctrl C. Then paste is the Ctrl V. Then again Ctrl V. Then click for the save and close. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.